We would be grateful if you liked and subscribed. And don't forget to hit the notification button. In episode 5, we arrive in Zeebrugge, visit the shop of the chocolate factory, have coffee in a cafe, find that most of Zeebrugge is taking a winter break, walk to the harbour, see another show in the theatre, and have another meal in the Yacht Club restaurant. On arriving in Zeebrugge, I was still feeling unwell after venturing out in sub-zero Hamburg, and we spent some time debating various options for the day. Eventually we decided to explore the area near the ship. A free shuttle took us out of the dock area. About a 5-minute walk from the shuttle drop-off, there's a chocolate factory with a shop that sells, you guessed it, chocolate. These animals are made entirely of chocolate. On leaving the chocolate shop, we found that almost everywhere was closed, but we did find a cafe. Well, we're in Zeebrugge. The ferry terminal's down that way away. There's a parade of what sort of pop-up shops here, but there's nothing open at this time of year. There's one just there which is closed from the 5th of January to the 3rd of February. Most places look like they don't open until the summer. We had some coffee just a bit further back. And that was after we'd been to the chocolate factory, which we'll probably talk about later. Over there's a restaurant, but that's not. And a pub, which also looks like it's not opened. Oh, and it looks like there's a few shops, but nothing's open at this time of year by the looks of it. Better go and catch up with Jill, who's down there. This is the harbour in Zeebrugge. Well, it's more of a marina, really. I think it seems to have several bits, the harbour here. Buildings behind us. And there in the distance you can just see the lightship, which is right by the ferry terminal. Not the ferry terminal, the cruise terminal. Right by the cruise terminals, this lightship. Back on board, we picked up a snack, which we took back to our cabin. We spent the afternoon relaxing before heading to the theatre.
It's my life, and it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. That David played and he plays along. You don't really care for music, do ya? Find me somebody to love. Not gonna see
After the theatre, we again ate in the Yacht Club restaurant before heading for bed. In episode 6, we arrive in Rotterdam, see the famous cube houses, visit the breathtaking market hall, find mood music in an unusual place, watch the sail away from the deck, see an old-fashioned magic show, and once again eat in the Yacht Club restaurant. Thanks for watching. We'd be very grateful if you liked and subscribed.